I took way too long to realize this, but let me tell you a hard truth. The problem was never the market. It was me trading without rules. If you've ever entered late, held a losing trade hoping for a miracle, or exited a good trade too early, pay close attention to this. This system is not about making fast money. It's about stopping emotional trading and starting to follow a clear professional process. The day trading blueprint teaches you exactly what to trade, when to trade, and when to stay out. No guessing. No jumping in just because it's moving. You learn how to use VWAP and price action in a simple, clean, and objective way. You learn real risk control, so one mistake doesn't ruin your entire week. And most importantly, you learn how to execute with discipline, not emotion. Marcus's story is basically the story of most traders. He studied, watched videos, followed the hot accounts, but in real trading, the same cycle kept repeating. Late entries, holding losers, panic exits. Everything changed when he stopped asking, "What stock should I trade today?" and started asking, "Does this trade follow my rules, yes or no?" That's exactly what this system gives you. Clear rules, defined setups, and a repeatable process. You get a complete bundle with practical guides focused on real execution, not scattered theory. On top of that, there's a journaling system that basically forces you to face your mistakes. No excuses. After this, you stop, trading out of FOMO. Moving stops mid-trade, revenge trading, jumping from strategy to strategy every week. Here it's simple. You follow the rules, or you don't enter the trade. This product is not for people looking for magic promises. It's for traders who want consistency, clarity, and emotional control. And honestly, this is one of the most organized and honest trading systems I've seen for anyone who wants to take day trading seriously. You know, I only share what actually makes sense. The link with instant access and a discount is in the video description. One-time payment, 30-day money-back guarantee. If you want to stop guessing and start trading like a professional, this is the next step.